Good morning, methods class. Welcome back to week 2, lesson 2. Today we're going to look at an application, the area of a triangle. So yes, we know from primary school and junior maths that the area of a triangle is half times base times perpendicular height. So area of any triangle is half times base length times perpendicular height. But how does this translate to the generic triangle that we've been working with in the last few lessons? So suppose we have a generic triangle ABC. We have side length lowercase a, side length lowercase b, and side length lowercase c. So let's drop down a perpendicular height from point B to form of perpendicular height h. Then technically the area of this triangle is half times b, because that's the base distance AC, because that's opposite the angle B, times the perpendicular height, which is h. So it's half times b times h. Now the thing is though, our generic triangles is in terms of A, B, and C, not H. So the question is, how do we rewrite H in terms of lowercase a, b, and c? Well, that's all good. Consider the right-hand side triangle BCD. So that would be a right angle triangle because H is a perpendicular line. So here angle BDC, that corner is 90 degrees. So we consider triangle BCD, the right hand side right angle triangle. Then sine of the angle C, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, which is H over A, or in other words, H is A sine of the angle C. So we can replace that into the H in the area formula. So area of a triangle is half times base times A sine of C. So in other words, therefore, area of any generic triangle is half AB sine C. So given any generic triangle with side lengths A, B, and C and an angle, it's half of the other two sides times sine of